Welcome to 174 Cove Lane in Gasburg, Virginia. We're so glad you joined us today. This lovely waterfront home sits in a beautiful landscape lot off of Deepwater Cove on the ever-popular Peeho Creek on beautiful Lake Gaston.
And before we head inside, we're giving you a sneak peek of this ultimate oversized 3-car garage complete with sealed concrete floors, ample workspace, and even an automotive lift for storage or wrenching on your favorite project.
Now what we've all been waiting for. Enjoy your tour of 174 Cove Lane.